So in this problem, they're asking us to find out how much this kid is going to save, but they ask us by going to the less expensive gas station. Well, we have to determine which gas station is less expensive. So the first gas station right here, it says the cost is equal to $2.80 per gallon. So that means $2.80 per gallon. At the second gas station, they give us some information. Now we know you need a little life knowledge for this, but probably just being a kid in your parents' car, you know that gas has a common rate. You know that when you go to the gas pump, it tells you how much it costs. So you don't really have to do a whole lot of work here. You know that it's proportional. So you know your price, $8.30 over 2.5 gallons. If I reduce that to get my unit rate, that's going to give me my cost per gallon. So if I do that, I'll end up with $3.32 when I divide. So that is the more expensive gas station. We've got $3.32. And it says how much will he save by going to the less expensive gas station. Now, it's per gallon, so you don't have to figure out how many gallons he can fill or anything like that. So you're just doing a straight up subtraction problem. 332 minus 280. And you come up with he's going to save 52 cents per gallon. Well, we can take it further and say on average your car could have like room for 15 gallons. So if he's filling up, he could save $7.80 by going to the cheaper gas station. Another thing to know, unless you're in a different state, your gas doesn't change much station by station. So he may drive out of New York and hit Pennsylvania and it's cheaper, but most likely in New York it would change just by a cent or two.